Okay, so a good way to repurpose, you guys, if you ever have a 30 foot panel or a 20-foot panel, and let's just say you run out of panels. For prime example, now we upgraded from a 2 panel to a triple panel, right? So we don't have any more fabric, but we got a 30-foot panel, which normally would be what, a valance, right? So easy way to do this, or it's not even the 30, but the easy way to do this, if you have panels that has an inseam at the top and the bottom, you just thread both ends, right? Because what's the clearance in here? Standard, 8, no more than 10 feet, right? So you're going to thread both ends. Make sure that it's all even. Now you done turn your 1 panel into 2, because the bottom you're going to puddle, right? No one's going to see.
Right.
So now you just repurpose your panel. So if you guys have a 30, you're going to do the same thing, right? So that's the best way to repurpose your fabric and get like double for 1.